Shalom everyone! At once again, for today's vlog, ang isi-share ko sa inyo ay ang conjugation ng infinitive verb to take a shower. In Hebrew, lihit kaliyak. Okay guys, bonatkel. Present tense, take a shower. For masculine singular, mitkaliyak. Ani, mitkaliyak. Ata, mitkaliyak. Hu, mitkaliyak. Present tense, take a shower. For feminine singular, mitkalakat. Ani, mitkalakat. At, mitkalakat. Hi, mitkalakat. Present tense, take a shower. For masculine plural or mixed gender, mitkalkim. Anachnu, mitkalkim. Atem, mitkalkim. Hem, mitkalkim. Present tense, take a shower. For feminine plural, mitkalkhut. Anachnu, mitkalkhut. Aten, mitkalkhut. Hen, mitkalkhut. Okay guys, for past tense, talk a shower. Hit kalahti. Hit kalahta. Hit kalah. Hit kaliyak. Hit kalka. Hit kalahnu. Hit kalahtem. Hit kalahten. Hit kalku. Hit kalku. Okay guys, for future tense, we'll take a shower. Ani et kaleyak. Ata tit kaleyak. At tit kalki. Hu yit kaleyak. Hi tit kaleyak. Anachnu nit kaleyak. Atem tit kalku. Aten tit kalakna. Hem yit kalku. Hen tit kalakna. Okay guys, now I will give you the imperative. Imperative, take a shower. For masculine singular, hit kaliyak. Imperative, take a shower. For feminine singular, hit kalki. Imperative, take a shower. For masculine plural, hit kalku. Imperative, take a shower. For feminine plural, hit kalakna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog. Enjoy to learn Hebrew And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. See you on my next vlog. Lihit Raot!